Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install TeamViewer software, full guide step by step clearly. Visit the official TeamViewer website by typing teamviewer.com in your web browser. Once the website loads, look for the download section on the homepage. Click on the download button to begin downloading the software. Choose the version that fits your operating system, whether it's Windows, macOS, or Linux. After the download is complete, locate the downloaded file in your computer's Downloads folder. Double-click the downloaded file to start the installation process. A prompt may appear asking for permission to run the installer. Click Yes to continue. Follow the on-screen instructions in the installation wizard. You'll be asked to select the installation type. Choose Install for full access or Run only for a temporary session. If you choose Install, you may need to select additional options for installation, such as creating a desktop shortcut. Once you've made your selections, click Next to proceed. Read and accept the license agreement to continue with the installation. The installer will now copy the necessary files to your computer. This process may take a few moments, so be patient. Once the installation is complete, you will see a confirmation message. Click Finish to exit the installer. TeamViewer will now launch automatically. If it doesn't, you can start it by finding the shortcut on your desktop or searching for it in your applications. Upon launching, you will see the main interface. Take note of your unique ID and password displayed on the screen. You are now ready to connect to another device or allow someone to connect to your computer. For further connections, you can customize your settings by exploring the options in the Settings menu. Congratulations, you have successfully installed TeamViewer on your device. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.